harvest a lot of lime. Look at it. So much lime. It's full.
So what are we gonna do for this lime? So we have to pick them up, right?
Yeah, we're gonna make lime juice and freeze down lime juice so we can have lime juice anytime we want.
Because we're going home to Philippines.
Yes, exactly. We don't want everything gonna fall down.
Yeah, napakarami ang bunga niya, guys. Kailangan namin ay gawing juice tapos i-freeze down po namin para hindi masayang. Para pagbalik namin, we can just take from the freezer and drink it or use for cooking. So, ipapakita namin sa inyo, guys, kung gaano karami ang bunga ng aming lime again. Here, you can put it, Daddy. You have the basket. Hold it. Yeah, just choose the big one. Leave the small one. Kasi pagbalik natin, lalaki na mga yan. Doon pa sa taas, guys. Oh, ang dami. Ang dami na, guys. So, punong-puno ng aming basket. Uy, laglag, babe. Makakarami ka talaga ng juice nito. Daddy, let's go. Bring my phone in, okay? Hugasan ko muna bago ko i-hiwain tapos squeeze yung mga juice. Sobrang dami talaga. Ako taga-hiwa. Tapos si Habi ang taga-squeeze. Para madali ang trabaho.
Trabajo. Is that good? They're so juicy. They're more juicy now than they were before. Maybe they're more ripe now. Huh? I've never seen them so juicy before.
While our daughter's sleeping, we have to take this a chance to do it immediately. Kasi one day left, aalis na kami dito. And marami pa kami dapat gawin. Hindi pa kami tapos sa bahay. Are you tired?
I'm fine. No,
You're good.
it's like a workout
Yes,
for the
exactly.
hands.
Yeah.
Look at that full bag of.
Oh, there's a lot of juice though. Oh my goodness.
It's great. Soon.
At ito po guys ang aming lalagyan. Parang ice candy po siya. Lagay namin